5 natural foods that will make your health better than most of the medicines sold in stores. 1. Turmeric helps in arthritis, digestive disorders, and even depression. 2. Garlic helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels and reduces the risk of heart disease and certain cancers. 3. Berries reduces inflammation and lowers the risk of heart disease and diabetes. 4. Leafy greens improves digestion and better overall health. 5. Salmon improved cognitive function and reduced inflammation in the body. Always remember, nature is best, forget the rest.